guys, and welcome to this video. I'm very apprehensive about this video because I don't know how the day has gone. I don't know whether I'm in hospital now. Basically, I want to try a new stunt today. I saw some videos of some people doing this stunt and I thought, why not try it? They were crashing a lot, but the concept seemed understandable to me. So basically this trick is riding backwards, steering backwards, so I can do this part of it, and then simply, it looks simple, it sounds simple, but mentally not that simple. So you're riding backwards and then you literally just let go of the handlebars with both hands, put your hands on where the passenger normally sits, so you know, on the rear seat, and then you jump both legs up. This leg goes on the tank and this leg goes on the handlebar, and so you push it and it steers into a circle. It's called a switchback churro. In principle it sounds easy, but in practice I know that I'm probably going to end up hurt. So I'm nervous, but I think that it looks really cool and I've seen loads of people do it and it's something that I've really wanted to do, and with a lot of crashing I might manage it just like that. We'll see how it goes. I just really hope I don't end up with any broken bones. Anyway, wish me luck guys, and let's just get on with the video.
Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock, with my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front, and remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real life in these real times, so be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes, watching all this time slip by. Now I realize, you know I've been waiting, 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 you know I've been waiting. But will you wait for me?
Time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
Cause I done seen the time go by for too many years now, when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by. Yeah, I done seen the time go by.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes, watching all this time slip by.
Oh my gosh!
I think she did it.
I can't believe it!
How long has it taken you to do this?
So literally going by the GoPro filming, like the amount of time that the GoPro says, I've done it in 20 minutes, which is ridiculous. So in 20 minutes, I've learned a new trick that I thought would take me weeks and weeks. Obviously it needs a lot of practice still, and I can't get out of it, but I can get into it on my own. Oh my gosh! And I haven't even like crashed badly or anything. guys, well, that was it. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. It was, the hardest bit was trying to get into it, so obviously having Alistair holding it was just so important, because the fear element was removed. Well, it wasn't, it was not removed, I was still really scared, but it was reduced, so I wasn't as scared. I felt sort of like he would be able to help steady the bike. But once I was in it, it was so strange. I am so happy and so surprised. So that was a very successful day. In the beginning of the day I really thought that there might be a hospital appointment. But thankfully that's not the case. I'm fine. All my body parts are still intact. Nothing is broken. So thank you all so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.